Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shopify banners mobile-friendly. We'll dive into ensuring your store's visual appeal translates perfectly across all devices, from large desktops to small smartphones. A mobile-friendly banner is crucial for engaging customers and driving conversions, as over 50% of online shopping now occurs on mobile. Let's make sure your banners are always looking their best, no matter how your customers are browsing. Optimizing your banner images is the first critical step. Large, uncompressed images can drastically slow down your mobile site, frustrating visitors. Aim for image files under 100 kilobytes for faster loading. Many themes allow you to upload separate images for mobile, ensuring the perfect aspect ratio and visual impact on smaller screens. This simple adjustment can greatly improve your site's performance and user experience. Your Shopify theme often provides powerful built-in tools for mobile responsiveness. Navigate to your theme editor and explore the banner section settings. Look for options to adjust image sizes, text overlays, and button placement specifically for mobile. Some themes even offer features to stack elements vertically or hide certain components on smaller screens, giving you precise control over the mobile layout without needing any code. For ultimate control, custom CSS is your best friend. By using media queries, you can apply specific styles only when the screen width is below a certain pixel value, like 768 pixels. This allows you to fine-tune banner height, text size, and element positioning for a perfect mobile display. Always test your custom code extensively on different mobile devices to ensure everything looks and functions exactly as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.